What's happening, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Adam. This is Vancity Audi. We're back at Mission Raceway Park for the very final race day of 2021. I'm back out with my daily driver, my B8 S4, my 2012 Audi S4. If you guys are a subscriber, you may have seen the last time I was out at the track where I managed 3 back-to-back 10-second runs in this thing. This baby was flying. Today, the conditions are the absolute best I will have ever had the privilege of racing in. We're starting out today at negative 600 DA. The air is extremely dense out here, and we're going to be making a ton of power as we rip down the track. The downside, though, it is a bit cool out here. So if that track prep isn't up to par, I might be spinning out of the hole. I'll do the best I can to warm up my tires, but we'll see how that launch is. To compensate for the colder weather, I've dropped my fuel cut launch back down to 2,000 RPM. So we'll see how it handles the launch out of the hole, and we'll see how it handles this extremely dense air up top.
Going through the water box as per usual. It kills me every time, but it's gotta happen. It's minus 600 DA right now. Hope this thing holds together. Nope. Crazy spin. Oh, I'm getting breakup too. Tons of breakup. Oh no. That problem that we thought we fixed. I wonder if the air is so much more dense now that it's calling for that much more fuel. Damn. Draggy still shows a 10.98, and my 60 foot was horrible of a 1.66. So that shows that even though my launch was horrifically bad, I still ran a 10 because I'm making so much power up top. The fact that the car is breaking up insanely bad, though, scares me. We thought we had fixed the problem by replacing that sensor. We actually went above and beyond. This was something we didn't even go over, but last week I replaced the high pressure fuel pump sensor as well, just to be on the safe side. I logged the car and the car was running well. So I think I'm gonna have to add a bit of pump gas, lower that ethanol content down from E44 to hopefully around E40 and see if that fixed the problem.
I'm thinking I need to retire that Draggy pretty soon. Not even remotely close to what I ran. An 11.0 at 125.85. By far the highest I've ever trapped, but that 60 foot sucks because it's cold out and I was spinning. I'll let the car cool down and see what I can do next time up.
So I reviewed the logs and they honestly didn't look that bad. My high pressure fuel pump only maxed out once on the log. My low pressure wasn't great, but it wasn't horrible. I dumped in some more pump gas to get that ethanol content lower. Here's to hoping I have a better run this time. Little B8 S4, let's behave yourself a bit better this run, shall we? Looking good for today. I might have to call it quits if it runs like this. This is not healthy at all.
All sorts of problems on that run, an 11.4 at 125. Still making power up top, but a horrible ET with those delayed shifts and horrible launch with a 60 foot of a 1.9. This really sucks, guys. Oh man, I had so much positivity, so much optimism, blessed with these amazing racing conditions, and I'm gonna call it quits. I do not want to risk my daily driver. We think something's wrong with the car. Something is definitely wrong with the car. You saw that last run, it was horrible. We're making power, but a ton of breakup. I am not willing to risk and put this motor in jeopardy by running anymore. I came out here with the intentions of going quicker and faster, even though last time out I ran 3 back-to-back-to-back 10.9s. I know this car has more in it, but I'm not gonna be able to prove it to you guys because it did not want to play ball. So I'm gonna call it quits. Hopefully in the videos to come, we can figure it out and figure out what the hell is wrong with it. It ran perfectly for what, 2 weeks? I guguess that's the life of owning a B8. It works for a bit and then it craps out on you. So last day out here at Mission Raceway for the 2021 drag racing season, not working out the way I wanted to, but I know the time out before I had a blast when it ran really, really well running those back-to-back-to-back 10.9s. So until next time where I'm out with the B8 S4 trying to fix it, maybe on the dyno, maybe showcasing another vehicle, take care, guys.